This is the Be Nice Peel and Stick tile. These are our tiles and we have our instruction manual. They're quite thick. All you have to do is peel the back off to stick it on your wall, and the adhesive is very strong. Each of the hexagons has beveled edges and each one measures almost 1.5 inches. Each tile measures 10 and 5/8 inches by 11 and 3/8 inches. They interlock very easily on all sides. Just match the sides together and I'll show you how to do that. And the tape on the back is very strong, but you have a little wiggle room, so as long as you don't press it down, then you can lift it up a little bit and move it over to where you want it so your design can look seamless. And one thing that I noticed is that my fingers were getting stuck to the back too often, so I would advise to leave that part of the backing on while you're working on the sides. When you get it all in place, then you go ahead and press it down and it's there to stay. And the tiles are very easy to clean with a wet cloth. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to cut the tiles. You can use a utility knife with a sharp blade and just core the area 5 times and then snap them off. Or you can just use a scissors, but for a cleaner cut you want to use the utility knife. So there you have it. These tiles are very nice and very easy to work with. They're more of a matte finish, so if that's your style, then you'll definitely love these.